For the next few questions, we're just asked to differentiate. This is my original question. This is minus a. So, and I'm going to rewrite this using index notation first. So this function will become minus a times 1 plus ax, the minus because it's the bottom of a fraction, and a half because it's a square root. Now, I can use the chain rule. I get the minus a half times the minus a becomes just positive half a. I times that by 1 plus a to the x to the power of minus 3 halves, which of course minus a half minus 1. And then the last bit I have to do is times that by the derivative of the inside, which is just a. Doing this up, I get a times a on the top, which is a squared, all over 2 times 1 plus ax to the power of 3 halves. The negative here meant it ended up underneath the fraction. Next question, 11f. It looks like this. b divided by the square root of c minus a half x. So again, I'm just going to rewrite this using indice notation. C minus a half x to the power of minus a half. Minus because it was underneath the fraction, half because it was the square root. Now I can just rewrite it. Write the derivative using the chain. The half times the b is minus b over 2. I write c minus a half x. Take 1 off the power, times that by the derivative of what's on the inside, which is minus a half. Do some tidying up. Minus times a minus will become a positive b. A half times a half will be the 4 in the bottom. In fact, all of this remainder b is on the bottom. C minus a half x to the 3 on 2. Negative means on the bottom of a fraction. This is my derivative here. My next question is 11g. Has this y equals minus 4 times x plus 1 over x to the power 4. I'm just going to rewrite this a little bit using his notation. Y equals minus 4 times x plus x to the minus 1 to the power 4. That'll help me in a second. I need to find the derivative of the inside piece. The derivative is the derivative of the outside, which would be 4 times minus 4, minus 16, times x plus x to the minus 1. That hasn't changed. 1 off the power, 3. And I times that by the derivative of the inside, which is 1. Now this is why I needed to turn this into an index. So this becomes 1 minus x to the minus 2. Now I need to tidy this up just a little bit. I've got minus 16 x plus 1 over x. That's cubed. So times 1 minus 1 on x squared. This here is my derivative. Just do one more. This question has some square roots and some negative indices. So let's rewrite this first. X to the half plus x to the minus half to the power 6. So my derivative will be 6 lots of x to the half plus x to the minus a half, 1 off the power is 5, times it by the derivative of what's on the inside, which is a half x to the minus a half, minus a half x to the minus 3 on 2. If you need to, take some time, work out and confirm for yourself that the derivative of this inside piece is in fact these pieces here and then the brackets. And I'm just going to rewrite them using our square roots, our fractions, because that's how the question was originally given to us. 6 will stay where it is. X to the half is the square root of x. X to the minus a half is 1 over the square root of x. And those to the half 5. I now write that with 1 over 2 root x minus 1 over 2 times the square root of x cubed. I should really do one more line of tidying up here. I'm going to leave all of this first components the same. The only bit I want to tidy up is the remaining piece here. So this is the square root of the 2 of x cubed, which is x root x